Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tennis Ball from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the body with a large circle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw an oval for the first eye. And then another one on the right side. And color these both in black. Now for the mouth, let's add a curve across underneath. And another curve down and back up like this. Now inside for the teeth, let's add a small curve down on the top left and color that area in black. And then let's add a line across. And that's it for the face. Now let's add the tennis ball lines. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down. And another one next to it. Now let's move over to the right side and let's start at the top and let's draw a wavy line down next to the eye and bring it to the mouth. And then let's continue it down and out underneath. And then let's do the same thing next to it on the left. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with two angled lines down on the left. And the same thing underneath on the right here. Now let's make the right line a little bit longer. And let's curve it out and back in. And then color these both in black. And that's it for tennis ball. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!